Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Rashida from my channel HarshAvin. Friends, as usual, today also in this video, I again came with a product review. Product which I'm going to review today is a vacuum cleaner. So guys, it's an dual purpose usage for car or house. So here is the box, how it looks. So let me open this. So guys, inside the box you can see a instruction or a manual like how you can use this. Later on I have these. Actually you'll get with a different color option, but I choose in green color. So guys, inside the box you'll get vacuum cleaner body, then you'll get a long strong section, then you'll get two soft bristle you can attach according to your cleaning methods. So guys, here you can see a C type charging where you can charge. Guys, moving forward I gonna show demo also, so please keep on watching. So guys, now I'm attaching the section head, so it is long and strong and it is very handy to use. Actually I bought this product for my car. It's very convenient to clean. For me it was always problem with the car mats where even though I'm using the brush but it was not cleaning properly, so I bought this. So you can attach the soft bristle one according to your easy convenient cleaning methods. As you can listen the volume of the vacuum cleaner, and yeah, it sounds. And you can see a detachable dustbin where you can open it and clean it well. So guys, this is an cardless handheld vacuum cleaner, one machine with three purposes. And also I'll get a USB cable of C type also. It's a rechargeable with I section, cyclone design for home, car or office usage. And it's an high power vacuum cleaner. And let me show you a demo guys. Now I on and just you can see how well it sucks. Now I am attaching different head for my couch. Now I'm showing you how you can clean it. Just you can remove this and you can see the dust which is stuck into that dust box. Now let me discard this. So guys, now I'm attaching different head for my car cleaning purpose. Soft bristle with ergonomic handle. So guys, it has a 50 kps strong section such that it attract the dust very quickly. High speed pure copper power motor provides a sufficient power. So guys, I got this product for 350 rands on Takealot. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product will be on my description. And I think this is the best product because it is very handy to use. And for me especially, I required very much needed to clean my car. You can see how well it's attracting, and also I want to clean my couch area and it is very handy and rechargeable too, so I bought this. And that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.